Hey there, fellow DocuSign users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to tell when a DocuSign document was signed, updated for 2025. Whether you're verifying contracts for work, legal purposes, or just personal records, knowing the exact signing timestamp can save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. Head over to the DocuSign website or open the app on your device. If you don't have an account, don't worry, signing up is quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where all your documents are stored. Next, find the document you're interested in. You can search by name, date, or sender to locate it quickly. Once you've selected the document, open it up. Now, here's the key part. Look for the History or Audit Trail section. In the 2025 version of DocuSign, this feature has been made even more accessible with a new intuitive interface. Click on it, and you'll see a detailed log of all activities related to the document. In the Audit Trail, scroll down to find the entry that says something like Document Signed or Signature Applied. Right next to it, you'll see the exact date and time the document was signed. DocuSign records this with precision, often down to the second, so you can trust it's accurate. If the document has multiple signers, you'll see timestamps for each one, super helpful for tracking. One quick tip. If you're dealing with a completed envelope, check the Certificate of Completion PDF that's often attached. It includes all the signing details in a neat summary. And remember, for security reasons, make sure you're viewing this on a trusted device. There you have it. That's how you easily check when a DocuSign document was signed in 2025. It's a straightforward process that empowers you to stay organized and professional. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.